Hello, my name is Prashanth Muthuswamy and I'm an assistant professor and head of technology for Pearl Academy. At Pearl Academy, we believe in blending technology and creativity to foster our students so that they can be ready for the future. We at Pearl have researched and worked really hard for the aspects of technology to be integrated in the curriculum. In technology, we are making sure that students are equipped with the latest cutting technology, and also the kind of curriculum that we have designed caters to more AI and machine learning. Pearl has always been an edge about adapting to the new curriculum, the new technologies around the industry. That makes them very different from other universities that is already there. We at Pearl Academy have always had a mission to create a complete creative professional who are not only skilled in their core curriculum but also have the abilities of creative thinking and problem solving abilities to thrive in the industry.